What's up, YouTube? It's your brother Michael back to another video. Today we're gonna be giving y'all the life, the YouTube tips. Because I have a lot of YouTube tips, and y'all been asking me like what do I use and stuff to film and stuff. So I'm gonna show y'all what I use to film. Hold on, y'all in my. Alright, hold up. Alright, so basically we're gonna give y'all kind of tips and tricks. I mean some tips. So let's go to let's go up here. Let's go to my let's see that. Can I airdrop that to myself? No. Yeah, we're gonna run on. Like, Alright, first YouTube tip. We have find your niche. So basically you gotta find what's your category on YouTube. Like you want to do lifestyle vlogs, like cooking, basically like that. So basically like that. Yeah. Second thing is your thumbnails. Your thumbnails have to be your thumbnails have to be title basic and first impression on YouTube. So basically you can't do what other people do. Basically what you can do what other people do, but you know it's gonna be hard to put the titles like together. Like basically how I do my titles, I use two apps. I use Photoshop. I use Photoshop or Canva. Those are the only two apps I use to make my banners and stuff and do that stuff. Now editing apps. We have the only editing app I use that I recommend for if y'all don't want to pay is iMovie and CapCut. But I use iMovie. I use CapCut and Blur and Final Cut Pro. Shit, I'm so tired. I had to redo this video to go. I'm tired. I'm sleepy. I'm gonna go sleep. I'm gonna do. So after this, I'm gonna sit down. I'm gonna edit the video up there tomorrow. By tomorrow or tonight. I don't know. Man. I might sit back over to my camera. Now I'm waiting tomorrow to do that. I'm waiting until I get my SDD. That's why I was expecting the too. So okay, so basically I already have the camera right here for the rest. So we're gonna get into gears. Okay, so I use on my iPhone, my tablet. I should say iPhone and tablet. So I can switch to both, but you know, I have Canva. camera. Like you don't need. You can use your iPhone or your tablet to film. You don't need to use camera. But the camera that I recommend, that I have that I've been using is this. Hold on, shut down. I can't really. I'm gonna just take it out. Okay. This is the camera I use. It's the camera I use. Comes with the cover. Gotta find the cover. I don't know. Is it in here? Nope, it's not. But this is the camera I use. So basically, I got this one from the distant camera, but the camera came with two batteries. Now I have one up in here, I believe. Yeah, one battery, another battery go down charger. Then I add a little tripod. I got this in TikTok shop. I just got this yesterday. This came in handy. Today's video, just I know it's gonna use it, but y'all not on tripod. Still gotta get. I'm waiting for my SD card to come in so I can transfer videos from this camera onto here. So waiting on that to get here. And once that get here, I'm gonna be a great YouTuber. That's gonna love my videos. I could put y'all up on here, but it might not fit. So we're not gonna do this. So, tripod. This is a tripod. I use this whenever I need to vlog or something. But I haven't vlogged today, so I haven't used it yet. I was gonna use it tonight when I first tried to do the video. See it to me. Forever tried to get the video from off the from off this camera onto here. I tried to use it on my iMac over there. This is a camera. Great thing. 13 is in it. If you gotta read it. Keep in mind. Like 2 days. Like tomorrow Saturday. Today is Saturday, tomorrow Sunday. So yep. I get that tomorrow. And I got a tripod. And I got my tripod right here. Okay. You can so you say app. So like you can basically have a MacBook, but the thing is my MacBook is broke, so I can't use it. So I have iMac, so I can edit from off there. So basically I have MacBook because you can edit. Basically you can edit from any device. You can edit from tablet, phone, HP, MacBook, iMac. I have both. I have three. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 devices. 5 devices that I use. And one of them is for Mama's. I make for Mama's, but she let me have it. She let me keep it. So yeah. That's what I've been using basically. And then the ring light. The ring light right here. Have it on. If y'all want me to show y'all what it is, give me a minute. I'm just go to my phone. I'm just showing you. But ring light. Okay, we're back. So before my tablet died, sorry. So now we have What was I talking about? Oh, computers. So basically, I have 4 computers. I have a phone. I have 4 devices. I have a phone, a MacBook, HP, and Mac. And the tablet, so 5, 5. So yeah, that's basically what I have. Trying to think what else I can say. Now, video ideas. I'm gonna put some video ideas on screen. It's gonna be right here. So y'all can read them for yourselves if y'all want to. But video ideas, I'm gonna do morning routine. I'm gonna give y'all 3. I'm gonna give y'all morning routine. Get ready with me, and nighttime routine. That's all y'all get. Now I'm gonna put the rest on the screen once I edit the video. If it's not up on the editor, please put it. Please put it up on there. What else I can give y'all? I can give y'all. I don't know. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram and TikTok too, one by one. It's gonna be in the description. It's gonna be in the description. Trying to think what else I can give y'all for tips and tricks and stuff. Oh, and also add memes to y'all videos too. Like add different memes, like videos, audios, sound effects, anything to videos, cause that is what is gonna get y'all viewers' attention. See, me personally, me just gonna at the bottom I can give y'all a tutorial one day, cause it's hard to do right now, cause I have a tablet and a HP. I might airdrop this to. I might share this video to my HP so I can edit my HP, and then whenever I get my tablet charged, yeah, I'm gonna airdrop, and then I'm gonna send that to the folder. So I'm gonna create a folder after I get done with this video. So I edit. What else I can give y'all? That's pretty much it. Y'all want to see me put my lights on? Put them doing that kind of thing real quick. Before I wrap this video up, because I am tired. So let's sleep. I'm gonna give y'all my time. Yeah, there we go. I'm done. Time for my clothes. Quick, yeah, PC. So, I'm gonna just. So, yeah. So basically, if the video, make sure y'all like. Actually, yeah, that's it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on notifications. Follow me on all social media platforms. It's Jeremiah Coleman 2.5 on Instagram, 2.5 on TikTok, 2.5 on it's in the description, so just make sure follow me. It's gonna be all on the screen right here too. I can just like put it up on there if I can. Jeremiah, when you're editing this, please put this up on here, please. I will do that. Please put that up on here for me. Social media links and stuff. Thank you. And then, what else I'm gonna say? And yeah. Like I always say. See? But always love yourself. And don't let nobody tell you you can love. Always love yourself. Alright, peace out. Bye.
You know you the coldest, you know you the coldest, you know you the coldest, babe, you know you the coldest.